Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I request all of you to kindly stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Kindly be seated. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the listing ceremony of Five Star Business Finance Limited. Five Star Business Finance provides secured business loans to micro entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals, each of whom are largely excluded by traditional financing institutions. It has a strong presence in South India, and all loans are secured by borrowers' property, predominantly being self-occupied residential property. They have carved a niche for themselves in specializing lending to small businesses with over a 30-year track record. Ladies and gentlemen, before any further ado, let's welcome all our dignitaries, presenting them with a bouquet. Starting with our very own founder, we have Mr. V. Ranganathan, founder of Five Star Business Financial Limited. Could you please come up on the stage? I next invite Mr. Lakshmipati Deendayalan, Chairman and MD, Five Star Business Finance Limited. Mr. Rangarajan Krishnan, Chief Executive Officer, Five Star Business Finance Limited. Mr. Shrikant Gopal Krishna, Chief Financial Officer, Five Star Business Finance Limited. Mr. Kaushal Shah, Executive Director and Head, Equities Capital Markets, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Mr. Vijay Chandok, Managing Director and CEO, ICICI Securities Limited. Mr. Satyan Shah, President and Head Investment Banking, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head BFSI and Financial Officer. Mr. Tawani, Managing Director, Head of India Coverage, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities, India Private Limited. And our host, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO, National Stock Exchange. Thank you, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the traditional lighting of the lamp. And I'd like to invite Mr. V.K. Ranganathan, our founder, Ms. Mama Krishnamurthy, Mr. Anand Raghavan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the opening address, I invite Mr. Satyan Shah, President and Head Investment Banking, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Satyan Shah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome on this momentous occasion. On behalf of the 5-star management team, the selling shareholders, Matrix, Norwest, Sequoia, TPG, and all the book running lead managers, it's my privilege to welcome all of you today on the listing ceremony of one of the fastest growing NBFC in India in terms of AUM, with top tier asset quality compared to peers. 5-star is the story about the journey and passion of a true blue Indian entrepreneur, Mr. Lakshmipati, and who has been at the fulcrum of creating an enviable asset in the NBFC space. From selecting the color of its logo that's similar to those of gold standard credit business in India, to building and retesting the business model created to onboarding investors and building a team for years of growth to come. Mr. Pati has truly been a visionary and built a model that is resilient, unique, and future-ready. Five-Star has successfully stood the test of all challenges in the financial services industry in recent times, including Demon, NBFC crisis, and the COVID pandemic. Moving on from the blueprint to the problem statement that Five-Star wants to solve. The company, through years of knowledge and expertise, has very carefully developed the vision statement of serving the unserved and underserved, self-employed and small businesses in India. The key focus point for the business has been to provide a better, simpler and cost-effective option to the neglected part of the society. Since joining Five-Star in 2002, Mr. Pati has successfully pivoted Five-Star's business model to become the fastest growing NBFC in India with an AUM of over 5,000 crores as of June 22. Under his leadership, the company has grown, nurtured and scaled over the years, and we are confident that the company is on track to become one of the most valued MSME lending companies in India. The issue attracted very high quality and differentiated investors such as Capital Group, Fidelity, Norges Bank, Adia, HDFC MF, White Oak, to name a few. A big thank you to all the investors who have supported the company. We at Edelweiss are extremely proud and privileged to have been associated with the IPO and would like to thank the management team, Pati sir, Ranga, Srikanth, and all the selling shareholders for giving us the opportunity to lead the issue. It's truly been a pleasure. As the company begins a new chapter in its corporate journey, we would like to wish them all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from Five-Star Business Finance Limited, please put your hands together and welcome our founder, Mr. V.K. Ranganathan, who's going to address all of us.
Good morning to you all. I am immensely happy to be here to see this August gathering for the first day function of Five-Star Business Credits. I would like to congratulate the young team headed by Mr. Lakshmipati and also thank the eminent board members and investors who had a good trust on us, and banking people who are with us and will continue to be with us. And once again, thank you for all the people connected with the improvement of this business. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon Mr. Lakshmi Pati Deen Dayalan, Chairman and Managing Director, Five-Star Business Finance Limited, to speak to all of us. A nice big round of applause.
Good morning all. A warm welcome to this memorable event. So before taking you to the journey of Five-Star, let me thank a few people which I really think I have to do it now. Of course, one is the founder, Mr. V.K. Ranganathan. I should thank him for giving me this opportunity. Exactly 20 years back, in 2002, when I joined Five-Star, so I think opportunity was given to me and I was made a person in charge. Both was done in the same day. So I should thank him having the courageous belief on me and taking me as a person in charge. Till now, I think the decision authority was given to me. So I should thank him for first giving the opportunity. Second, I should thank my father, Deen Dayalan. 20 years back, when I said I'm going to join Five-Star, there was two objectives for me joining Five-Star. One is bringing a good amount of capital, and second, building a sustainable and a profitable business model, what you see today. So when I went and said this proposal to my father, without even thinking for a minute, he said, all capital which belongs to you is yours. not my brothers, right? So I should thank my father for letting me take the capital, whatever I had at that point of time, and had a courage of investing in 5-star. Third is very important, my wife, Hema Lakshmipati. Today, as a personal person, I am standing here before you. She is the reason behind it. Emotionally, personally, she was supporting me for last 22 years. Before joining 5-star, I was with her for 2 years. I got married in 2000. The courage what she gave me to join 5-star on all the turbulence, what I have seen in last 20 years, including last 20 days. She was always supportive with me. Even when we caught the flight yesterday morning, we didn't know whether the listing is going to happen today or tomorrow. So that kind of mindset she was truly with me in all the difficult circumstances in my life. So I should thank her. Fourth, my wonderful execution and management team who's taking it here. So starting from Ranga, Shrikant, and the 6,000 employees who are seeing this program live in their offices. So I should thank my 6,000 employees. I am standing on behalf of them. 5-star is not me or Mr. Ranganathan. 5-star is 6,000 employees who had the faith to join 5-star, who had the courage to move away along with 5-star. Who is 5-star? 20 years back, we were one among 10,000 NBFCs in our country. We took a courageous decision in 2002 when every NBFC in India wanted to go deeper into lending to vehicles. We were the only NBFC who moved away from vehicle. Because we know we can't compete the big names that you all know in lending to vehicles. So we decided to create a niche for ourselves. Because we didn't have any other opportunity. We have to create what is a lending space that we can create. Today what 5-star proudly is being spoken, that leading NBFC both in quality and profitability. I will not say in growth or AUM, that is very easy. For a lender, growing a AUM is the easiest one, not the collecting it back on time. So very proud to be taken this journey 20 years back with the shoulders along with my employees. Today, as Satyan mentioned, one of the fastest growing NBFC, both giving quality and profitability. And finally, I should thank Investar, who stood with 5-star for last 7-8 years. Tremendous faith they had on us. My background is, I didn't work in any bank or NBFC. Neither the 5-star had a parental support. They just believed on the model and the execution. So thank you all investors, past, present, and finally the board members. Thank you all joining 5-star at the appropriate time, taking the governance, transparency, the way in which the board has to function. Today we miss one of the legend, TTS here, due to his travel plan. So I should thank all the directors who had the faith, especially independent directors. Today you know how the private and public limited company has to face challenges from all kind of regulations, governance, transparency is a way in which everything should be handled. So I really thank my independent directors to keep the benchmark for 5-star at that level. Finally, bankers, again I'm saying finally, bankers who stood with 5-star, starting from ISEC, Kotak, Nomura and Edel. This is a tremendous journey for last more than 1 year. We filed our DRHP sometime in August 2021. So it took such a long time for us to go and hit the market. Finally, we are in the market. I just wanted to clarify one point before I leave the mic. There is a perception on 5-star. One is good, one is not good. The good perception is, let me go with the not good perception, then let me end with the good perception. Not good perception is, how is this 5-star is able to break the quality and profitability consistently over the years? when everyone thought lending to these customers is vulnerable, lending to small businesses is vulnerable, lending to self-employeds are vulnerable. Whenever I meet investors, whenever I meet with analysts, whenever I meet with a conference call, I don't know what views they have on 5-star, but definitely the views, what come in first was too good to believe true. So I'm taking up this challenge. My challenge from now onwards is to explain to each and every community, people I'm interacting with it, this is true. This is not magic. This is not myth. This is the art of underwriting. This is the art of execution, what we have been practiced for last 20 years. The best part what they conclude is, when you have so much of competitions of big guys, not to name anyone, but 5-star is truly differentiated from them, both in execution and giving out the results and profitability and quality. So on behalf of everyone, I thank, and all your prayers and all your wishes will carry 5-star and reaching more and more heights. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And like they say, behind every successful man is a woman, right? And now, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of National Stock Exchange, to address all of us. A nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Shri Lakshmipati Deedayalan, Chairman and Managing Director, 5-Star Business Finance Limited. Other dignitaries present from 5-Star Business Finance Limited. Merchant bankers to the issue, Shri Vijay Chandok from ICICI Securities, Shri Kaushal Shah from Kotak Mahindra Capital, Shri Satyen Shah from Edelweiss Financial Services, Shri Amit Thawani from Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities, and everyone else associated with the issue. Good morning and a warm welcome to all on this auspicious occasion of the listing of 5-Star Business Finance Limited. It's with immense pleasure that we welcome 5-Star Business Finance to our family, continuing with the uptick in the primary market activity for this month. In fact, today we are witnessing 2 listing ceremonies of main board companies being organized in our premises. 5-Star Business Finance has a strong presence in South India, which provides secured business loans to micro entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals, the 2 segments of borrowers largely excluded by traditional financing institutions. The successful listing of 5-Star Business Finance on NSE makes an important milestone. We do hope that 5-Star Business Finance can deepen its investor outreach given NSE's strong market leadership and depth in the secondary market. I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of 5-Star Business Finance and everyone else associated with this successful listing and wish them all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the exchange of the mementos. The first one goes out from Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to Mr. Lakshmipati. Please come up on stage. And now with a beautiful exchange, we have it from Mr. Lakshmipati Deedayalan to Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Thank you very much. I'd also like to call upon Mr. Rangarajan, Mr. Shrikant, and Mr. Trilok on stage to give away the rest of the mementos. I first call ICICI Securities. Edelweiss Securities, Kotak Mahindra Capital Limited, Nomura can get ready next. We have Nomura. Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. That's Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas. Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas. Sidley Austin, get ready. Sidley Austin. We have Concept, the ad agency. Concept. The registrar, KFIN Technologies. BSR and Company, get ready. That's KFIN Technologies, registrar. BSR and Company. And SR Bartley Boy. And before we have the vote of thanks, we invite our dignitaries to come to the gong. We have about a minute to go, and I need your assistance for the countdown. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for the countdown. And together we shall shout out from 10 downwards. Are you ready? I can't hear you. All right, here we go. 10, everyone. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Five-Star Business Finance Limited is now listed at the National Stock Exchange. Congratulations, Five-Star Business Finance Limited. As soon as we're done with the photo op, we will have the vote of thanks. Before we have the vote of thanks, we have a list of mementos for all the employees that are present over here. Okay, fine. And that will be presented by Mr. Lakshmipati. Can you please come up? And I'm going to call out all the names, starting with Rangarajan Krishnan, Shrikant Gopal Krishnan, Shalini Bhaskaran, just come and tell me if I missed out anyone.
I'll write. I'm standing right now.
Starting with Mr. Rangarajan Krishnan. Mr. Shrikant Gopalakrishnan. Shalini Bhaskaran. Vishnuram J. Parthasarthi S. Satya Ganesh T. Vanamali Sridharan.
Go with 4 and 5 after this.
Vanamali Sridharan. Sechatri. Arun Kumar.
Go with 13 next.
Prashant.
Then go with 14 next.
Ramesh Khanna.
Go with 6 next.
Venkatesh, get ready. Venkatesh.
Go with 11, 10.
Naveen Raj and Jayaram, get ready. Naveen Raj and Jayaram.
Go with 15, go with 16, 17, 20, 15, and 19. Just go with, go with 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Same order. 20, excellent. 81.
Murali Krishnan. Murali Krishnan. Mahesh G, get ready. Followed by Daniel Wilson. Mahesh G. Daniel Wilson. Vanamali Sridharan. Oh, sorry. Sridharan Vembu. And Shaila Shri.
9 and 7. No, 9, 12, and 7. Khalil Pasha.
Shaila Shri.
Khalil Pasha.
Khalil Basha.
Parthasarathi Asuri. Number 12.
Khalil Basha, Parsasati Asuri.
And last is Srinivas Atreya, number 7.
And Srinivas Atreyak.
That completes it.
We've not missed out anyone.
Ajay Saraf. That should be number 1.
We need Shreya's has come. Shreya's.
Always Nishil Chaudhary.
I'm making. And so we
Okay,
start
now
with
we-
IC.
I'll give you the names, don't worry. It'll be here.
Yeah, everybody. We'll finish it off now only, and then we'll have the vote of thanks. Yeah, okay. From ICICI, we invite Mr. Ajay Saraf. Pritesh Kandoi. Mahesh Natarajan. And Rupesh Kant. From Kotak is Hardik Doshi.
We have individual mementos, yeah, please. Yeah, we have individual mementos. You can take that also.
So now we go to Edelweiss. From Kotak, Hardik Doshi. Edelweiss, we have Viral Shah, Rajiv Verma, and Dipti Samant. From Edelweiss, it's Viral Shah, Rajiv Verma, Dipti, and Neetu Ranka. From Edelweiss, Mahesh Tejwani to Manish Tejwani.
Okay, Vishal.
From Nomura, we have Vishal Kanjani. Vishal Kanjani. From Nomura, we also have Amit Tawani.
Next we have the investors, right?
Yeah, next we have the investors. Let me start with Avnish Bajaj.
Can we start with Avnish Bajaj?
From the investors, we start with Avnish Bajaj. Vikram Vaidyanathan.
Step forward to welcome you both. Come. It's for separate. Come.
GV Ravishankar. Sanjeev Mehra.
Who's come up now? Who's there now?
Okay. GV Ravishankar from Sequoia Capital. Sanjeev Mehra from TPG Capital. Niren Shah from Norwest. Get ready. And Arjun Saigal. We next have Nikhil Kokuda and Shiv Chaudhary.
Okay. Then team matrix.
Team matrix and final. Then it's just a matrix.
Team matrix. Yes, all the name?
Yeah, we will call it a team matrix along with Vikram Vaidyanathan, the first guy. Now, Arjun Cycle is waiting here. So Arjun Cycle from Morgan Stanley. That alone you can just announce.
Arjun Saigal from Morgan Stanley.
So this is team matrix, right?
Matrix along with Vikram Vaidyanathan. That's their purpose.
Team Matrix along with Vikram Vaidyanathan. Get ready. Team Matrix.
Rohit Tiwari, Vedant Bhattawara, Kinjal Shah.
From CAM, we have Rohit Tiwari Vedansh Bhatawara and Kinjal Shah.
From Spark Capital, we have Ramakrishnan and Shreya Subai. Shreya, second, I don't know second name.
This is Cam.
That's done, yeah. Now Spark Capital, we have Ramakrishnan and Shreya.
From Spark Capital, we have Ramkrishnan and Shreyas.
Harikesh from Spark Capital. Harikesh.
And Harikesh from Spark Capital.
So we are done with Spark. Now we go to auditors, BSR.
The auditors, we have BSR Ankit Jain. Ankit Jain. And auditors SR Batley Boy, Anand Abraham and Harish Sekar.
And auditors, Sundaram and Srinivasan and Susha.
Oh, I thought it was cancelled. Okay.
Usha from Sundaram and Srinivasan, auditors.
And in the auditors, Usha from Sundaram and Srinivasan, get ready.
Directors.
Okay. We have only 4 directors. I'm sorry. I think we have here, no?
Just say that last but not the least, the most important group of the company, which is the directors. Give some. You're calling the directors of the company. So
Let's call it all. Calling all the directors of
yes.
And last but not the least, calling all the directors of the company.
Before the directors, Ashwin Chadda.
Before we have the directors, we have Ashwin Chadda.
These are
And where are all the directors now?
so we are on the front row, only 4. Ramakrishnan, Anand Raman, Ramkumar Ramamurthy, Thirulokshan Vasan.
And we have the directors, Vama Krishnamurthy, Anant Raghavan, Ramkumar
Ramamurthy,
Ramamurthy, and Trilokchand
Vasan.
Vasan. Our directors, Bhama Krishnamurthy, Anand Raghavan, Ramkumar Ramurthy, and we have Trilokchand Vasan.
I think that completes. Now we finally have the vote of thanks. And then we close. Wow, this was a long list of names.
Long list of names. Problem is consequences of too many issues.
Yeah, I know. Right.
We had too many doubts in our listing of names. So whether it will get pushed tomorrow or whatever because of the CDSL. And finally it's happening. So hence the
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the vote of thanks, I invite Mr. Vijay Chandok, Managing Director and CEO, ICICI Securities Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vijay Chandok.
Good morning. So finally it's done. You know, when Mr. Pati was speaking about the last 20 days and, you know, what you had done for standing by him, we could relate to it because we were also standing on the other side. But I think finally it's done, and it's a very momentous occasion. And I would like to congratulate the entire team, starting with the founder, the chairman, the board members, the entire team, which is so painstakingly, and I must say one thing which really stood out, with so much of detail and precision, maneuvered this whole issue. So hearty congratulations to the entire team, and I think a round of applause. It's been a very decent listing in my mind. Mr. Pati also spoke about some good and, you know, what is not so good. But I must say, the stuff that he spoke about, the not so good, I've been a banker myself, and I've had the opportunity of actually starting the SME business for ICICI Bank when I was there. And when I met Mr. Pati, I told him that what you have achieved 20 years is truly remarkable. It's truly remarkable because this is a very tricky segment. And in 20 years, we've seen so many things. We're starting with the GFC, the pigs crisis, the taper tantrums, the slowdown, the inflation, the forex problem, the money flow, money flowing in, money flowing out, and finally COVID. And through 20 years and through so much of turbulence, managing to do this, it according to me, 4 things. Because, having run this business, 4 things he's got very right. Who to lend to, the customer selection, the underwriting, the monitoring, and collection. So he's got the secret sauce for all those 4. So I strongly believe, and my sort of message to all the investors is that this is truly true. There's nothing to feel skeptical about it. Keep watching this. I think I'm very positive about this story, and I would like to wish the company a great, great future, and thank all the existing investors, thank all the management team, Mr. Pati, for entrusting us to lead this issue. Truly grateful, and we look forward to ongoing continued relationship and value creation for the investors and all the investors in this company. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay Chandok. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, a nice round of applause for 5-Star Business Finance Limited for getting listed over here at the National Stock Exchange. With that, we come to the end of our program today. Do join us for some light refreshments. And this is Bhaskar Rodriguez signing off. Have a lovely day and have a great week ahead. Thank you.